Dear students, today I am going to revise the second part of lesson number second, that is Lost Spring. Yesterday in 3 videos I explained about the story of Seema Puri and whose main character was Sahib, and his full name is Sahib-e-Alam. And today I am going to describe another part, that is I want to drive a car. This story is of Mukesh, who belongs to Firozabad, and Firozabad, that is near Agra in UP, and Firozabad is famous all over the world for glass blowing, for bangle making. So in Firozabad, every other house is bangle makers. Now more than 20,000 children, they are working in these factories. Firozabad produces bangles which are sent all over the world, not only in the country. It is such a big industry. And these bangle makers, they work in dingy cells. बहुत छोटे कमरों में, in the dark light, in the you see darkness, they work over there. उनमें काम करते हैं. इनका ये जो है generation after generation, they indulge in the same work, that is bangle making. In spite of working hard day and night, they are unable to build their houses properly. They are unable to send their children in the schools and colleges for education. They are leading a very hellish life of unhygienic. In poverty, hardly they can earn their livelihood. They can manage their meals 2 times a day. Besides that, they remain poor throughout their life. They cannot do anything. They cannot enjoy their life. And moreover, they are exploited by the middleman, agents, by businessmen, sahukars, those who give them money on high interest, and the policemen, those who are exploiting them. These poor fellows of Sikhabad, they cannot form any association or organization. वो किसी भी एसोसिएशन और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. Now you can imagine their miserable life, कि उनकी लाइफ कितनी मिजरेबल है. जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, because in such factories, carpet factories, bangle factories, industries, small kids, they are required, because with their small fingers they can solder the bangles and give them spirals shape. So they are producing bangles of various colors. As in rainbow there are 7 colors, likewise of red color, green, yellow, blue, pink, of many colors. They are gold, producing these bangles. And you will find that these bangles, many of them are selling them in the streets with the handmade cards, and they are also exported to other countries and sent in various parts of India. Actually, Bengal making is a very difficult process. One has to sit in front of furnace in the dingy cells. Actually, they are not familiar with the light at all. It appears as if they have been adjusted with darkness. Many of them lose their eyesight in the very young age, and many of them even they pick up many fatal diseases. बहुत सारी बीमारियां जो है उनको लग जाती हैं, and they are unable to live a normal life. That is the condition of these Bengal makers. They remain poor whole life, and that too generation after generation. Their parents, grandparents, great grandparents all are indulged in this work only. They do not have any other business to do. Now this is regarding the introduction of this second part.